Navigating through text using the spacebar on a phone keyboard can be a convenient and efficient way to move through your content. Here's a brief overview of how to use the spacebar to navigate easily. Sometimes you may need more precise control over the cursor's placement within the text. To achieve this, press and hold the spacebar. While holding, you can slide your finger left or right on the keyboard area as if swiping over the spacebar. This action allows you to move the cursor with greater precision by character or word depending on your sliding motion.
For more hacks and tutorials, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.